Hey, good evening. If you're still lucky, this is the Upper Live Show. We're live here on TG Radio each and every Tuesday, live here from 9 p.m. This is a Christmas special. As we said before, we have lots of special guests in the show this evening. If you're just joining us, you miss Rapper Crapper. Annie Pastor was here, and we've been juggling and from 7 o'clock this evening, right? And like no other, we have another special guest inside the studio. He's well renowned as the Bonks. People call him Sir Alton.
Yeah.
People call him DJ Alton. Otherwise known as the man himself. Is live here inside the studio. Good evening to you, sir. One of our close friends. Welcome to the show, sir. Upnlive show. Alton, what's good?
Everything good, man. Everything. They all Upnlive and what's good, man.
Of course. You see, you come well prepared, the boss, and I'm DJ Alton, Bonks, material, merchandise.
You know, that's why I love my daughter, you know.
that set you up?
Daughter said, what? You can't go so.
That makes sense.
We just make 2 link after work.
Yeah?
A man said 10 minutes and I like extra, but it work.
Of course. Good evening.
Good evening.
And if you just joining us, can you just introduce yourself to our viewers and our watchers? Who is DJ Alton?
The man.
And man in what? In terms of what? Give us a little bit more now, man. You can't just say the man, so who is DJ Alton?
Well, I'm a DJ entertainer.
Yeah.
So I play for everybody.
And
you understand?
Okay.
So,
Makes sense. And you were born here in the UK?
Nah, man, I come from Jamaica. I'm placed in Centre and Brownstown.
See it there?
Countryman like myself?
Countryman.
So how long have you been in the UK here?
Well, you know my immigration status.
Nobody really want to know. I'm just trying to get the people who are trying to know a bit about you. I just want to know you say a DJ, but...
They're from 2000 still. So
they're from 2000?
So everything good now.
So you've been seeing the good times and the bad times in the UK dancehall scene, I can
course,
say.
Man, the best.
The best. Is it
and the
now is the best or is it then?
It's not really. All right, you see the thing about it, what people say now and then, before you never have social media.
Yeah.
So our radio play, our DJ play is only the thing you can listen to.
Okay.
Nowadays, people have ways to listen to things now, watch part, now make it on the...
So would you say music is more effective now than then?
Yeah.
So you feel like the music
nowadays music is better to me.
Better to you?
Yeah.
Well, you're one of the first to say that.
Because the thing about it, like growing up, everybody know Grace Jillers. Why? Because mommy and daddy played every Sunday in the house.
Yep.
Whether you like gospel or not.
Yep.
It's just like with Jamaica. You listen to Barry G or Donovan Dakers or whoever. All them play the rhythm, I saw you know it.
So who was your role model in music when you were growing up?
Donovan Dakers, man.
Donovan Dakers.
The best.
Okay. That's a very, very...
It's a valid point.
It's a very, very wide spectrum because I've never heard anyone saying Donovan Dakers. I know Donovan Dakers. So if you don't know who is Donovan Dakers, people's watching right now, it's a Jamaican, a prominent old school reggae dancehall selector from, I think it was he on Fame?
No, JBC FM.
JBC FM.
Stereo.
It's the same Fame family anyway.
Change over, innit?
So you listen to Donovan Dakers and then you migrated to England in 2000, right?
Yeah.
And you started, were you a DJ when you got here or did you take up music while you got in the UK?
Now, I was DJ in Jamaica because we used to do hotels.
Okay.
FDR, breezes, everything.
Okay, so you're doing music from
Jamaica. I used to work in the bank. So I think something lighted.
So
shots fired.
Be a shot.
So often now, when I was working there now, my brother was linked with he have a record shop.
Yeah.
And me just help him out more time him go Kingston get records and thing and then Mr. Boy I know the ropes. So I go with him. Then him get to go America before me.
And you migrated to UK?
No, and him decides boy, him a lot in the shop when me do. So alright, take it still. So me started a little bit now and I left a little youth tonight for go and do it for me and he said boy, you now balance up. And me take a chance boy, I lift my work,
And go to the record shop?
I'm going to the record shop and play my music.
Makes sense.
My mother nearly killed me.
Yeah. So you give away the career
For music.
Yeah.
But let's fast forward a couple of years after now. So you reach here in the UK. I'm trying to get a little thread. So you started...
I come here in the UK now, working, as you know, we come here for work.
Yeah.
Then
how you get introduced to the music scene? Dancehall scene?
2 ways. I could say Uncle Mike and I could say Gangster Kid. Because when I come here first, where I used to live in Clapton, they have a fish fry down there. So when I go there, go buy food and friend. I see everybody on there, fish and this guy playing music and
Yeah.
he's not playing the way I know if he play.
You want to call names? Who is it? Who's this gentleman we talking about?
As it is kind of now as well.
Yeah.
No, but it's there, it's playing. But I was stand up there and I was like, oh Jesus. But I don't know him, so I just buy me food and just come out and just stand up and listen. Then one day I said to him, boy, can I play some music 1 week? He said, you have music? I say, me not have my music, but we play some from your one. And he said, yes. That was Uncle Mike.
So Uncle Mike was playing the music that was not supposed to play.
No,
That's not the way.
he played, but remember you just come from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know,
So
it's different.
you
It's
know,
a lot of different.
you're not going to play 20 songs on the rhythm.
Yeah,
Okay.
or certain sound.
You know the 5 or the 6 worth of player.
I get what you're saying. So
understand?
you started out from the Clapton situation. You
Yeah.
joined in there, and then
And then now, I just send my CD to Jamaica because I have every CD we can think of.
how did you manage to? You were, as I say, you were someone from
So
have every
I-
music, because people
Alright.
know in Alton for have everything for really
All
the
right,
truth.
before, when I was doing the record shop, I used to play for the RFM cricket team.
Okay.
That's Al Gallimore bring me in.
Yeah.
Iansworth, that's a DJ, Big A.
Yeah.
They were. I used to work with them.
Okay. So the music catalog was
so,
wide.
So RFM did have a cricket team, and I used to always out with them.
Okay.
So every rhythm come out, I'll get a copy of a CD from them time there.
So no, all right. So
So when people just converting from record to CD, I have everything on
on CD already. But it said in modern day era of UK dancehall scene that you were one of the first DJs who started using laptop, and even the CD era, because I knew you as a DJ who always have all the gadgets them, and as soon as anything reach, Alton have it first. Talk us through the transition from the laptop stage, from the CD to the laptop. What prompted you to start using the laptop first? Because we seen you as one of the first to do it.
I just love read. I just love read and see what's coming next. And when I see something coming next, I try to go for it. You understand? I remember when I went to Barbados, there was this guy, he have some turntable thing, and I don't know what it was, but never used no CD. He never used no record or CD, and I was like, what the hell is that? So when I come back, I start to see what I can do.
And then you move from the CD to the
CD to
the Serato thing.
No, I used virtual DJ for a little while first.
When I came here as well, you are into the business of like equipment, and most party I go, Alton equipment was it a direct move to say, all right, you need to.
All right, when I was working, I decided to say, you know what, I'm gonna go back to Jamaica. Cause not everybody come work and go back. I said I'm gonna get some equipment to go back to start something new.
Yeah.
Cause people
So
know me as a
you was
music
gonna be
man.
the sound system then,
Yeah.
basically.
People, this is Dragon just joined the interview if you're just wondering who is it,
I
yeah?
love chat. So what I do, I went to Western DJ because I tried to go all the shop. I went to Empire, I went to Western DJ, and I see some active speakers,
Yeah.
and I said, all right, I'm gonna try them. And I try, take them out 2 times. No one really feeling them. No one wanna pay for them because there's a 2 speaker coming on one little rave.
Yeah.
No one wanna pay for it. So I was like, oh shit, what I'm gonna do now?
Swearing, brother.
Yeah. I said, oh yeah, what I'm gonna do now? And then take it 2 more times on the bus. Every time I never drive. So me I take my 2 speaker, I'm in a fly case
Yeah.
on the bus. Go some party. People don't want to pay me. Bus pass run out. And they don't know his story.
but hold on now. Me have a valid question. Like, you seem to into gadgets and a lot of new stuff. Why you get known to be in the old school rank of playing DJ in terms of like R&B and all these good things?
When I come here, I used to go out and listen to every DJ. And what I do, I go home and I make a mixtape of every era I can think of. Jump on the bus, go outside rave, come in, I don't take money for buy champagne. Nobody don't know me. Just give a CD when rave finish. So everybody have a CD of me, want to know who is this person. Any way I can think of the rave is, I jump on a bus.
Yeah.
I buy the burner. I give you over nearly thousands of CDs.
So CDs, because you
And
use,
I never charge a person for one.
So that's basically what put you on the map. CDs, giving away CDs at party.
Yeah.
Promotion. Because
Promotion,
like
yeah. You have to promote yourself.
when I come here, I know you as like Mr. Slow Jam, Mr. R&B. You are normally the one who everybody have your CDs playing in them car, especially in the Northland era. I don't really know about Southland that much.
Yeah.
About in terms of your city because you're not based there. And when I just came to the country, I live in South, but I was more frequent to the north. I know your thing was banging in everybody's car. Why? Because you're here from the 90s or early 2000s or something. That's why you just mesh with that type of crowd.
No, I just like I like music that gravitate to people.
Yeah.
You understand? Because sometimes, as I said to you, you might hear old school, but if you check my SoundCloud, I do like 200-300 mixtape.
That actually, I think I didn't have the same amount until me get chopped down like 5-6 times.
Yeah, so I don't know which CD people gonna listen to.
Yeah. As I said,
So-
people might not know your face, but they will definitely know your name. That
Yeah, that definitely.
or the sound effect go get DJ Alton,
DJ, R.I.P. President Sass. You know, I get that sound effect for free, that jingles for free,
and it's the most prominent one that you have.
and
And-
I just use that one.
If you should change that sound effect now and use the next one to replace it, it come like you start a whole rebranding.
It's a whole rebranding.
Yeah, that's true.
think so.
That's true. That's
Makes
true.
sense. All right. So what we're gonna do right now, people, you just joining us. This is DJ Alton. We're talking to DJ Alton right now. We want to talk to you about a few current affairs. So we're gonna bring someone else into the conversation as well. DJ Natural Mystic, one of our residents here. He is one of our analysts on the show, official analyst. He's signed the contract.
All right.
And he's here now.
So people, you're not gonna see much for the rest of this year because last show, but look at 2020. It's gonna be a lot of things coming your way. You know, anything will come out to analyze dancehall.
Yep.
Yeah, I got see DJ Mr. Car. Remember, you know, me bias, you know. I rate bias too. So
Yeah.
yes,
So
I must split the justice.
You know, it's a Rasta no bias. You know,
So, all right, gentle people. This is, as I said, it's the decade has finished, and there's lots of conversation going around regarding who's the best in this. So we have a few questions to ask you, gentlemen, people, and you're gonna just give us your honest view. It doesn't have to be right, but it's in your view, all right? So the first question is, what would you say is the top 4 song for the decade? Let's start with DJ Alton.
Country, Charlie Black, first thing.
Charlie Black Country. Yep.
Which one? Party Animal.
Party Animal.
Party Animal.
Yeah.
Summertime Vibes Cartel.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Summertime,
Yeah, you're right.
yep.
Yeah.
Egyptian, Hold You.
Hold you.
Yes, good one.
And what's it? Dancehall, no reggae.
Dancehall or reggae. Dancehall is reggae, so it's the same thing.
Because that Romain Virgo, Love Doctor, you know that. I don't know where you guys go, but I tell you that song.
But I don't think that song make it in the big spectrum era of like worldwide gravitation.
Listen,
Maybe make it in Europe, but not really everywhere.
Yeah, but that's his choice.
Yeah.
Right? So you choose,
I was even in Turkey and they dropped Love Doctor and the Turkish people singing out.
because it's reggae, because reggae is more known than dancehall, to be honest. It's
Yeah,
spread
understand.
wider. So your 4 songs is Love Doctor, Charlie
Charlie
Black's
Black's
Party Animal,
Vibes Cartel, Summertime.
Summertime,
Yeah.
and Egyptian Hold You.
Egyptian Hold You.
A Natural Mystic on his phone, social media in a way.
yeah.
What would you say would be your 4 songs for the decade?
Yeah, you put up on the spot, you know. I heard you talking before and I say to myself, let me run through my laptop quickly and try remind myself of some song. But you know what? First one I'm gonna say, this is personal favorite, because my idea of big song is different from most people. I don't care about streaming and rare, so this is my personal favorite.
Yeah.
I'm putting Popcorn, Where We Come From.
Where we come from.
One of my favorite songs for the decade.
Yeah.
I think you have to put Clarks in there.
Clark, so that's 2. Popcorn, so you got 2 Vibes Cartel tracks.
No. 2 popcorn tracks.
2 Popcorn tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 Popcorn, yeah.
Probably I'm an artist in it, so.
The next 2 is?
Chronics, Behind Curtain.
Behind Curtains. That's a new one. I never hear that one
That's
before.
a new one that run 1 year still, but you know, that's your
Yeah,
opinion.
man. And this is, you play that, like Alton said, you go some place and you play that. All last week I play that and like the place, money pull up same way. And then, can I just say why? Because you see, at the time when that song came out,
Yeah.
that was a time after Gully and Gars and the music was
Well,
reckless.
no. It wasn't after Goliath. It come way after. Because that song was at...
No, man.
Listen, that song was 2012, 2013. And right now, as we say about money pull up, I could play Zebra. Sometimes the way I present the music, I could get money pull up. And
But
people know Zebra as a
hold on.
rapist.
All right, start now. Them always have feud, you know.
No, but him do him top 4 already though.
I disagree.
Yeah, so it's natural.
Okay, so I'm my top 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man
Okay,
obviously
so-
top 4.
Well, let's make sure. I'm my top 4. And not a joint effort of top 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, I'm saying because it came at a time when nobody didn't want you nothing positive in the music.
Yeah.
And Chronics came out of nowhere and just locked down the place. So that song was the start of his evolution.
So we had two popcorn. You said where we come from.
Yeah.
Clark's.
Yeah.
And Beyond Curtain. We need one more song.
Why? I close my laptop and I'm light up a few on my laptop a while ago. Let me leave popcorn.
Come on, you must know.
No.
You must know. Because he's a prominent DJ as well. You play weekly.
Yes,
So
I'm saying too much song.
Yeah.
But
the one that stands out
I'm going
most.
to give a reason why I'm going to say this song as well.
Yeah.
Ding Dong.
Ding Dong. This is the first entry. Which song is it?
And the Jenna bounce with him.
We are Japa Bam.
Right. You know why?
Yeah.
It's been a while since, you see like Pon the River, Pon the Bank and them song there.
Yeah.
Signal the plane where you can go anywhere. And I'm talking any crowd of people.
I'm playing that.
Whether it's like right now, a lot of DJs are doing a lot of Christmas parties.
Yeah.
And sometimes you go there, you're the only black person there.
Yeah.
And you can play Jenna Bounce. Or you can play Fling.
Yeah.
And they're dancing to it same way. You can play, yeah. That rhythm there, it locked the place like, for the first, it's been a while since I've seen a rhythm lock every corner of the different genres like that. You can go to a funky house party and play that rhythm there.
And it still works.
Go to a soca party and it always works.
Natural Mystic.
So you're
like, well, Rick, before you talk, you know me and him have a little and we have a feud going. So
and
Natural
Salve
Mystic.
History. Go on.
All right. That's your 4 best song. If somebody say play 4 best, that's what you would play.
Right
You
now,
see,
if you ask me tomorrow, I might pick a different 4.
Why am I disagree with you? Because the Jenna Bunks, remember, that song is big. It's bigger in the, the UK Jamaican crowd. If you play it in a strictly dancehall party, the Idonia are going to outclass it, and the Idonia also outclass it in a UK Jamaican mixed party, and also in a soca party, because the yeah is bigger than We Are Japa Bam. The We Are Japa Bam is a dance party, so we get the dancers, and the more people active, you have to analyze it this way and look at it this way.
If we're looking in, all right, the biggest song in the last decade for dancehall, there's only one song, and Alton mentioned it. Charlie Black's Party Animal.
Party Animal.
That is the biggest song in dancehall for the last
Not
decade.
really. For the last decade, because Coffee Song would pass it to us.
No.
I would say that.
No.
Totally.
Wait, okay.
The streaming numbers do way more. Streaming numbers do way more, and the reaction of the crowd, because remember, it's a newer song. Party Animal. Charlie Black's I'm an artist, but I think Toast, the whole thing behind Toast,
Let
yo.
me show you how I look at dance.
But you tell me that Toast was too new to mention.
No.
Earlier when you said that.
I did not. I was one of the ones who mentioned Toast for one of the songs of the kids, and Rick said. So Toast is an absolutely big song, and me, I just say Party Animal is a good song.
Yeah.
But Party Animal more streamlined to the Latin market, because you have the little Latin feeling
let
to
me
it.
show you
But Toast is a general song where it is.
Let me make this point quickly.
I appreciate Toast.
To understand why
Right,
I view dancehall in a certain way. And a lot of people don't like when I say this. You see, when I look at dancehall, I look at dancehall from the perspective of dancehall people. Not people who like a big song that come out today and then tomorrow they're listening to
Rihanna. Drake.
Dancehall is for dancehall people. And a song might get out.
So you're talking about the music that's effective in the diaspora, just to the people who is Jamaican basically, who listen to.
If I go to France tomorrow, I'm going to a dancehall party.
Yeah.
If I go to Amsterdam, I'm going to a dancehall party. I'm not experimenting a dancehall and reggae, me say. Yeah? All right. One time I went to France to play. And at the time, I had no idea that Sean Paul had a song. And them time they rhythm. And when I went to France, that was the biggest song on the rhythm. Yeah? So, at the end of the day, I'm talking dancehall. When you go jump, and this is why England have a problem, because England don't play music. When you go America, and you go Europe, and you go some place, and you hear the DJ, them play a song. And you say,
they're more
No,
accepting.
I know exactly what you're talking about, because when I go Germany, the same thing. When I go Germany,
But
people play music.
You know the thing about here, so dancehall start too late.
That is a problem.
You can't play no music.
You don't
Well,
really.
I wouldn't say dancehall start too late. People come out too late.
No,
It's
not
a-
dance
it's-
hall
No,
start
that's
too
all
late.
start today because
It's-
you don't know we dance skipping
Hold on,
until 12:30.
Since we're in the UK dancehall topic,
Yeah.
so we're asking who is the artist for the decade. I'm gonna ask who is the selector for the half a decade, because I'm not going back a full decade. For the last 5 years, who been the top selector in dancehall in the UK? Who's been doing it for you consistently?
In the UK?
In the UK, one. Just your one selector. I don't want your two. One person who you think
No,
been more consistent
Me have
to
two,
you.
me have two favorite selectors.
Who?
Let's.
Gangsta Kid and Andrew Freshman.
Yeah. Alright.
So your politics in my play, no?
No, I'm a favorite them, you know, like.
No. Who you feel they are doing it since the last 5 years? Remember
No, but
we at
it's-
2019.
Huh?
2019 till now, the two selectors where I really shell everything.
All right, put it this way.
This year,
Andrew-
who not drop no catch?
Make him answer.
Who's
Make him
leading?
answer. Make
listen,
him answer.
Andrew cover more grounds. Yes.
Can I clarify before
Yes.
Alton answer? Let's
Yo,
clarify.
hold on.
Hold on.
You're gonna get a chance. You're
No,
gonna
it's
get
a
a chance.
clarification
hold on.
why before. Because
No.
are we talking DJ or host?
That we're gonna get.
Selectors and host.
All right.
All
Sound
round.
system.
Sound system. No,
Sound
not sound system. Sound system is a different thing.
Yeah,
No,
this.
I'm talking.
We're talking
Selector,
DJ,
selector,
selectors. See?
No, for
Selectors.
example, when we give an example,
Yeah.
you might say, let's take word power for example.
Yeah.
Who are the best DJ? Somebody might say Professor Ian.
No,
But
no.
another person might say,
We are
Archangel.
talking
One is
group.
the host, one is the DJ.
We are talking a selective group.
The team.
Somebody will
The
say
team. That's
either
the
this
team.
or
The more
that.
effective
A
team.
selective group.
Okay.
Yeah. So who you feel say is the one who run the 5 last year in UK?
Who's the most effective team?
Who is the most effective? Who you feel say do the most in the dancehall scene? I mean, I don't want you not biased because it's
Yeah,
just
but-
your opinion.
Let him answer. Let him answer.
But as I said to you, all right, Gangsta Kid are the crowd favorite. Andrew cover more grounds. So they still have the edge. But it's hard to choose from them.
All right. So let's go to Natural Mystic. Natural Mystic, what's your take on this?
And I'm not even saying this because he's in the building. Somebody we may look up to,
Yeah.
Brando.
Okay.
When you go to shows and you say, oh, Brando command the crowd before a concert,
Yeah.
not many people can do that. And it's because it's not about, when he's at the show, he knows it's not about me.
Yeah.
It's about the artist is about to come and I need to make sure the crowd is in the right frenzy.
Yeah.
Like that. But as Alton said, Gangsta Kid is a crowd favorite. And I'm going to say this and people might not like it. Gangsta Kid with a shooter,
It's
it's
better.
very
more
hard to
effective.
beat.
Yeah.
Yeah? Gangsta Kid, when they have Rufus or Bones,
Yeah.
Gangsta Kid is very, very difficult to beat in a dance. Yeah?
But if
But
it-
Andrew Fresh is a man where when I go to America and I go to Jamaica and people say Andrew Fresh, I've seen Andrew Fresh mash up weddy.
Yeah.
And the man go in there and say, say Jamaica independence next week, and the man start play some festival song in a weddy and have the players that not many people can do that.
They're not brave enough.
Andrew Fresh to me, somebody will look, I'm gonna say, yo, I rate that man there.
So who you think is running the decade? Just one name, the scholar name where you feel
but-
say is on top. Is on top. I don't want to hear you define two person. Who you think run the last 5 years?
I don't think we're gonna get an answer from them.
No man, them three are the three. I mean,
All right, DJ Rick, since it's your Upnlive show, can I ask you a question? Who you think run the last 5 years in dance?
I put myself up there with them. Too.
No,
Who do you think?
I can say
Who do you think run the last 5 years?
the most effective person I see for the last 5 years is definitely Andrew Fresh. In
Why-
terms of reach and
Yeah.
as I say, Gangsta Kid can compare to him because he's very effective as well, but he hasn't surpassed the level of. He has reached to his level and he has his own appeal to his own crowd. But I think Andrew Fresh just moved to a broader spectrum. That's just my take on it.
Listen what I'm saying now. Because like me and Gangsta Kid good, me and Andrew Fresh good. I'm in a favoritism to nobody.
Yeah,
When you come on to North London,
yeah,
Gangsta Kid have a little edge because he's from North London. But Andrew Fresh been running the last 5 years because remember 2013, 2014, he's been all Gangsta Kid. Him getting rain in dancehall. Now it's Andrew Fresh time to reign. And Andrew Fresh been doing it. And Andrew Fresh is the only person now in the UK
yeah.
we have the opportunity to break out the UK DJ to make other people outside of UK think like UK DJ ain't a joke. We don't have an international DJ in the UK, and he's the only one on the verge to do that. And nobody
Well-
give credit to Andrew Fresh because The
Well-
things where Andrew Fresh do, a lot of them now do it, and him still down on the ground locally in UK,
All right,
doing
Jaga.
it week
Jaga,
in, week
hold on,
out.
hold on.
Alright, listen. Before we go, because time is wrapping up. We have 90 seconds to wrap up, right? So let's have a last take from everybody. Your last take on this Natural Mystic.
Yeah, I'm saying you have to look on it on different level because one name that nobody's mentioned, and I know why no one's mentioned this name.
Yeah.
But Shawnee B is literally worldwide. Shawnee B is out there. He goes places, he walk on the road. People say, I was at Buju Banton show with Shawnee B.
Yo.
And everybody knows Shawnee B. But
You know mention in our spectrum. Shawnee B
I
no come off.
I
Yo,
understand
Natural
why.
Mystic. Yo,
Hold
load a name there.
Hold on there.
Low
All I'm
Shawnee,
saying,
man.
all I'm saying
Load a
is-
name there. Load a name there,
Hold
brother.
on there, hold on there. What I'm saying is, if you're talking the way you was talking a while ago,
Yeah.
he's out there. He's an international DJ.
No,
What
me
I'm
not
saying-
talk about that.
Jagan,
Just
Jagan,
like how
Jagan.
boom boom them and Chris Diamond, everybody from America can come here.
Yeah.
Have a big day.
Jagan,
We not a UK DJ we can go to
Jagan,
and have that something there.
Jagan,
That's what me I
let-
say.
Jagan,
Jagan, time
Can
reason.
Can
Let him
take off
finish.
half
Let him
my time,
finish.
you know.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is,
30 seconds.
when an artist come to England tomorrow,
Yeah.
the first number them pick up for call
Yeah.
is Brando.
Yeah.
If big dancehall like Boom Boom come over tomorrow, Andrew Fresh and Gangsta keep them call.
Yeah.
So I'm saying it depends on which angle you're coming from. I've been to shows and seen different people like warm up for the artist. And I know who is the best one to warm up for the artist. I've been, and you know when it's 4 o'clock and everybody under liquor,
Yeah.
who is the best DJ for step up at that time and get everybody man in a frenzy. So it depends on which aspect you're looking from. So it's difficult to say who is the biggest, but you have to name different aspects. That's
In
what
different
Alton
aspects.
did.
Makes sense. So, all right, so listen now. Can we just get some social media from Natural Mystic? So, he's a friend of the show, and you probably seen him in the previous interview. But for those who watching now, how can we find you and find you online?
That's Natural Mystic DJ, all dictionary spellings on Snapchat, Instagram. Yeah, just type in Natural Mystic on Facebook, you'll find, but I'm a government name up there, so. Yeah, no, let the government know.
Of course. And
I'm
last,
borrowed time.
yes, last take from DJ Alton. What's your take on this thing?
Bro, the dance out thing.
In terms of what Jagan said, he wanted to know who is the top DJ. You say you mentioned 2, but you say one to narrow
but
down. So
yes,
if you don't want to narrow it down, it's fine.
Andrew will get it really.
Andrew will get you there.
Yeah.
Okay. And how we can find you and find you online? Just give me some details for you.
Well, you know me extra already. If you go to App Store, Play Store,
Go to everything and search DJ
Everything,
Alton
yeah.
the Bounce.
because you know I'm the first DJ I have an app
I'm talking everything.
from them time till now.
we expect sense. So
Rick, can I just look
Yeah,
at the
that's
Friday night? We have every Friday night, you know, Cha-Cha Fridays.
Yeah.
On Tottenham Hill. Yeah, the biggest Friday night right now, dancing. And we ask the people, not just Cha-Cha Fridays, but dancehall in general in the UK. Please come out early. Party not start 3 o'clock in the morning. And DJs play good music before 3 o'clock so the people can come out early. We don't want to hear Celine Dion play for 3 hours.
we
At
are
the party.
someone like here show shots, but anyway,
And-
that's the
yeah,
next
man.
conversation.
The next one in the UK,
Yeah.
DJ them for follow themselves, man.
Value themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it think about it, you can do a day job, you can work a Tesco and get £100 a day.
So you said they're charging too much or too little?
Too little bit, man.
The DJ charging
Well,
100
hold on. Is it a DJ problem or is it a promoter problem? Because like,
No, it's a DJ problem.
listen,
man.
if you
Why
have,
you think you'll see me in certain place? Because when we go do my bookings, me can cover my bills.
Me understand it, I get that.
If me not drive, me can take a Uber and me bill cover.
Makes sense.
And me still have money. So like I work, me go work. Cause me have my family, mortgage, everything to pay now.
So after the maths,
So when me go out.
I work here.
I have to come back in with
Yeah.
some people.
Then same time now I'm on the call me and say, yo, my dance, and I say, huh?
No make no sense.
I say, better stay me out, stay with my family and watch Netflix and chill. You
People,
understand?
the bossiest man in the business, DJ Alton, alongside with Natural Mystic. You know, for time reasons, we definitely have to
yeah.
cut on this one. But give thanks for passing through. I know people. Please support the music. Support on his app. You can find it on Play Store, App Store, and also you can search for Natural Mystic on all social media platforms. And you can probably find his government name on Facebook. Remember, the show is sponsored by.
Should Sprint Fast Sprint, and this show was promoted but produced by Rollmark Entertainment, yeah? You know what I mean? People, I get my good English back, you know what I mean?
Simple,
Something
right?
like that. You get me, dog?
It's approximately 28 minutes past 10. We're going to be having another live guest in studio this evening. But before that, we're going to drop some song and we're going to introduce our next guest inside. Dragon,
Yeah.
what's good?